Diamonds are cut into many different shapes. Round is the most traditional shape, while the marquee, oval, emerald, princess, pear, cushion, heart, asher, and radiant are all considered fancy shapes. The 4 C's of a diamond are cut, carat, color, and clarity. Let's take a look at the first C, a diamond's cut. Diamonds are made up of many flat, cut surfaces called facets. Facets act as mirrors to reflect light. The upper group of facets is known as the crown, while the lower is known as the pavilion. The center transition between the two is known as the girdle. When viewing a diamond, the most noticeable facet is the table. This round, brilliant diamond has 58 total facets. Here we see the 3 diamond cut styles. The brilliant cut, which has triangular facets, the step cut has rectangular facets that run parallel with the girdle, and the mixed cut, which is a combination of both brilliant and step cut facet styles. The round, marquee, oval, pear, cushion, and heart shapes all belong to the brilliant cut family. The emerald and asher shapes are step cut, and the princess and radiant shapes are mixed cuts. Let's talk a little bit about ideal cuts. As you can see in this diagram, the proportions of a diamond play an important role in how light is reflected back out of the diamond. A shallow or deep cut diamond may sacrifice brilliance. Engineers and experienced diamond cutters have come up with dimension ratios and percentages that the cutters try to meet in order to obtain ideal cuts for different shapes. Dimension percentages like depth and table are based off of the girdle diameter, which is represented as 100%. The table and depth can be divided by the girdle diameter in order to obtain a percentage. This percentage is graded on a scale of ideal to poor. Look for a good length to width ratio for your diamond shape. Divide the length by width to obtain this ratio. Watch for extreme symmetry flaws. Table and girdle that are not parallel, a crown to pavilion facet misalignment, misshaped facets, extra facets, a table or culet out of alignment or misshaped. Let's look at the diamond's second C. Carat weight is a diamond's unit of measurement. Price per carat will rise due to rarity, so a 1-carat diamond will demand a higher price than 2 half-carat diamonds, with all remaining C's being equal. 1 carat is equal to about 0.2 grams, and 1 gram is equal to about 5 carats. Let's take a look at the diamond's third C, color. A diamond's color grading scale is colorless to light yellow. This scale is laid out in letters, D through Z. D through F representing the colorless, G through J representing near colorless, and proceeding all the way to Z with the light yellows. A diamond's fourth and final C is clarity. Clarity grade is an identifying characteristic either within or on a diamond's surface, usually referred to as an inclusion or blemish. This grading scale highlights these flaws visible under 10 times magnification. The clarity grading scale is laid out FL to I3. FL flawless, no inclusions or blemishes are visible under 10 times magnification. IF internally flawless, no inclusions and only blemishes are visible under 10 times magnification. VVS1 and VVS2 very, very slightly included. Inclusions are difficult to see under 10 times magnification. VS1 and VS2 very slightly included. Inclusions are visible under 10 times magnification, but are characterized as minor. SI1 and SI2 slightly included. Inclusions are noticeable using 10 times magnification. I1, I2, and I3 included. Inclusions are very obvious under 10 times magnification and possibly without magnification, and may affect brilliance. Now let's look at the diamond's unofficial C, the diamond certificate, or also known as the grading report. This report is not an appraisal. It's an important document that details the 4 C's of a loose diamond. It's your assurance that a jeweler has presented you with an accurate representation of a diamond's 4 C's. It's important you look for a diamond that has been graded by a distinguished independent grading laboratory, like GIA or AGS.